is the hardest thing life has thrown at you? Were you prepared for it? Could you have prepared for it? I'm an outspoken advocate for pediatric illness. A momcologist is the mother of a child with cancer. She's part parent, part nurse, and full-time advocate. And I will never, ever, ever forget the night that the doctor came in and woke me up and said it was time to let Mitchell rest and put him on life support. You have to be realistic about your abilities, and you have to remain calm when bad things happen. That's not always easy. When a hard time comes, it takes so much less effort to just be yourself. Take that mask off and be authentic. I believe that you have to find gratitude in life. Start your day with a positive mindset and end on a positive mindset. In every situation, there is something to be grateful for.